In this video, you'll learn how to build a micro SaaS using Claude Code. By following this tutorial, you will create a simple back-end application that can process and improve text using an API. Begin by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the terminal. You can do this by selecting Terminal from the top menu and then choosing New Terminal from the drop-down. This action opens a terminal window at the bottom of your editor. In the terminal, create a new project directory by typing megdir AI_micro_SaaS and pressing Enter. After that, change into the newly created directory with the command cd AI_micro_SaaS. Next, set up a virtual environment by entering Python-vend and hitting Enter. This step is crucial as it helps manage project dependencies separately from your global Python installation. To activate the virtual environment, use the command specific to your operating system. If you're using Windows, type VV scripts activate and press Enter. For Mac or Linux users, import source bin/bin/activate and hit Enter. You will notice the terminal prompt changes, indicating that the virtual environment is now active. Next, install the necessary dependencies for your project. Type pip install flask requests python.ns in the terminal and press Enter. This command downloads and installs the Flask framework, the requests library, and the python.n package, which are essential for building your application. Now create the required files for your project. In the terminal, use the command touchapp.py to create two new files named app.py ambo. If you're on Windows, you can use the command echo app.py and echo Browser instead. These files will hold your application code and environment variables respectively. Open the .n Visual Studio Code and add your API key by typing /API_key =, your _real_key here. Replace your _real_key here with the actual API key you received. After entering the key, save the file by pressing Ctrl and S on your keyboard. This step ensures your application can authenticate with the Claude API. Next, open the app.py file and paste the provided code snippet into it. This code sets up a Flask application and defines a function that communicates with the Claude API to improve text. Be sure to include all import statements and function definitions as provided. Once you have pasted the code, save the file again to ensure your changes are stored. In the terminal, run your application by typing python and app.py and pressing Enter. You should see a message indicating that your application is running, specifically noting running on http://127.001.3000. This message confirms that your backend server is active and ready to handle requests. To test the backend functionality, open a new terminal window. Use the curl command curl-x post http://127.001.3000 generate-h content type application/JSON-d col a text. This writing is bad and unclear if, for Windows. If you are on Mac or Linux, ensure to remove the care symbols and use backslashes for line continuation. After executing this command, you will receive improved text from Claude as a response.